Meaning of don.
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 Dawn.
Dawn. Dawn has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. As a verb, it can mean to put on or dress oneself in a particular item of clothing or accessory, such as donning a hat. It can also mean to assume a particular role or position, as in donning the mantle of leadership. Alternatively, as a noun, don refers to a university professor, particularly in Oxford or Cambridge. Overall, don can represent an action of wearing, assuming, or referring to a specific academic title.